Egg hack, poached versus fried, save calories. Today, we're diving into a simple kitchen swap that can make a real difference in your daily nutrition without sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. Hey, health lovers, if you're looking for a small change that makes a big difference, get ready for my favorite egg hack. This is one of those tips that's so easy, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Here's the secret. Change the method, save calories. The way you cook your eggs can have a surprising impact on your meal's nutrition, and it's all about the details. Let's talk poached versus fried eggs. It sounds simple, but trust me, the numbers add up fast. Most of us don't realize how quickly those extra calories sneak in, especially if eggs are a breakfast staple. A poached egg clocks in at around 72 calories. That's it. No hidden extras, just pure protein-packed goodness. But fry that same egg, and you're looking at closer to 90 calories. Why? It's not the egg itself, it's what you add to the pan. It's all about the oil or butter. Even just a teaspoon adds extra calories you might not notice. Over time, those little additions can really add up, especially if you're cooking eggs most mornings. But before you go thinking poaching is a chef-only move, let me show you how easy it actually is. You don't need fancy gadgets or special skills, just a pot, some water, and an egg. First, grab a pot and fill it with water. Heat it until it's almost simmering. You want those tiny bubbles just starting to form on the bottom. This is the perfect temperature for poaching. Now here's the swirl poach hack. Take a spoon and swirl the water to make a little whirlpool. This simple trick helps the egg white wrap neatly around the yolk, giving you that perfect poached look. Crack your egg into a small bowl or cup. Gently slide it right into the center of that whirlpool. This helps the egg keep its shape and cook evenly. The swirling water wraps the egg white perfectly around the yolk, making that classic poached shape. It's almost like magic, but it's just a little science in your kitchen. Let it sit for about 3 minutes, then scoop it out with a slotted spoon. The result? A tender, perfectly cooked poached egg, ready for your toast or salad. No oil, no pan, no stress. You skip the extra fat, and cleanup is a breeze. No greasy pans to scrub. And get this, you've just saved almost 20 calories compared to frying. That's every single time. It might not sound like much, but it really adds up. Multiply that by a week or a month, and you're looking at real savings, all for basically zero effort. Imagine saving over 500 calories a month just by switching your egg cooking method. Plus, poached eggs are just as delicious with that runny yolk and soft whites, but way lighter on your health goals. They're perfect on toast, salads, or even as a protein boost for your favorite grain bowl. So next time you're cracking open breakfast, remember, poached doesn't just taste great, it's smarter for your body. You're making a choice that supports your health, one meal at a time. Give the swirl poach hack a try. I promise, once you do it, you'll never look back. It's quick, it's fun, and it feels like a little kitchen win every time. If you found this tip helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite healthy egg hack in the comments. I love hearing your creative ideas and kitchen wins. Keep making those easy swaps, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, small changes add up to big results. One egg at a time.